Alright, what's going on, everybody? I think I got all of the audio issues figured out. I think the camera is looking really good, so hopefully you guys are enjoying that, and hopefully the Whiskey Tears channel people will really enjoy that. But I think I've got it all kinked out today. If only my trades today didn't have kinks either. Watching SYY here, see if it comes down a little bit further towards 74.
Order
Alright, I'm going to jump in here. 200 shares. I'm in at 74.20.
Order filled.
Take 100 off right there, so we can get back up above 75. Otherwise, if it comes down further, it might look to jump back in. Okay. Alright, looking for an ad if it comes down a little bit further here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to get in that 100 that I took off already down here. Now in at 73.67 with 200. See if it cracks 73. Alright, what I'm going to do is add in 200 more here and now just put a stop in at the low of day. So, see if I can get a bounce back up here. Average now at 73.35. Well, might be getting ready to get stopped out, and alright, stopped out there, so that's unfortunate. Did not work how I was hoping, and you know, gonna be red on it, but I think I played it appropriately at least. I'm going to ARQT here, see if it pushes up into the 1040s. Alright, I'm going to get started here. ARQT 1045, 500 shares. See if we can make a move up through 1060. Alright, things just been going sideways now for a while, so I do got to put a stop in high a day. I'm going to put it in at 1061. 1061 stop here now in ARQT.
Order partially filled.
Alright, and stopped out there. Unfortunately coming up and getting me, so just can't seem to get anything going right today. I'm probably going to call it. Okay, so let's break down today's trades, see what happened. Honestly, I'm not really upset with myself. I played them according to plan, and they just didn't work out today. So I actually be happy with myself because I stuck to the stop parameters, didn't do anything crazy and try and just fight it, and hoping it would turn around. No, stuck to the stop on both of them, and unfortunately it just didn't work. And you know, that's going to happen sometimes. So can't be too upset. First red day of the month. But SYY was actually a really nice move. Could have made a case for just taking the whole thing on the initial dip when I took the first parameters, but I was looking at the daily chart down here, and you could see right at 73 was a pretty good support line there. So when it came down towards that 73, that's where I wanted to re-add in, and then once it started holding that, I was like, okay, this is actually looking pretty good. I was feeling good about the action that it was making, and it's starting to hold 73, thought it was going to do a curl back up, so I was like, I can add in some more shares here, get my average down, you know, give myself the opportunity to make a little bit more if it does do the pop off the curl, and I'm not really risking too much more on those shares at all because the stop is just below it at low a day. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, but when those do work out, they can really be advantageous. Alright, later in the day was ARQT, and you know, this is just one that didn't work pretty much at all. Came up and made a pretty nice move. You can see from 1010 to 1050, so a 40-cent move on a $10 stock there when pretty much all in one candle. A little bit before it, but pretty much all in one candle there in ARQT, and it just didn't want to turn over. So sometimes it's going to happen, but once again, did the right thing here with the stop. I was actually considering doing the same thing with the shares of adding some more in here at the top in case it rolled over, but I didn't like the daily chart on this one as much. It was kind of just up in the middle of nowhere here into a potential little gap, so I decided against that, and I just wanted to put the stop in, and it came up and got me. So, like I said, not really upset with the day. They just didn't work, and no strategy out there is a 100% winning strategy. So I'm just going to have to take it and move on. Basically now break even on the week, which is I guess not too bad with 2 more trading days to go. Still having a really, really good month, so got to keep that in mind and just maybe it's kind of due for a red day. Sometimes that happens. Didn't trade poorly, I don't think. Didn't trade, anything crazy or get out of control. So I'll take that as a win overall, that my discipline was there and I stuck to the plan, stuck to the project, and we'll move on to the rest of the week. So hopefully you all had a better trading day than I did, and I'll see you in the next one.